How to log in Comcast email account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Comcast email account. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch your preferred web browser on your PC, and in the search bar, simply type comcast.com and press enter. And this will take you to the official Comcast website. And from here, you can simply tap on the sign in button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after clicking on that, you will be redirected to the login page. From here, you simply have to enter your email address, mobile number, or username associated with your account. And if you forget about your username credentials, you can simply click on Find Your Xfinity ID. And if you don't have an account and you want to create new, then you can simply click on Create a new Xfinity ID. And once you have entered your login details, you can simply click on Let's Go button to proceed to the password section. And from there, you simply have to type in your password correctly and press enter to access your account. And that's it. By doing this, you will be able to log in to your Comcast email account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.